Good morning, children. Yesterday we discussed about the definition of specific heat and its equation and the specific heat value of water. Now, in part 4, we discuss about some applications of specific heat capacity. The important one is specific heat capacity of water. Let us discuss that Earth covers 71% of with water. Okay, are you understand? Already, as you know, that Earth covers 71% of water on it. This huge water, it absorbs huge amount of heat energy exposed by the sun or delivered by the sun. If there are no oceans, if there is no water on the earth, if there are no water bodies on the earth, just imagine what happened. The huge heat energy exposed by the sun come too close, and after meet the earth surface, it reflected. After that, it merges into the atmosphere. How much it is? I think it meet 4000 degrees centigrade to 5000 degrees centigrade, because of there is no absorption by any body of this heat. At this moment, at this temperature, it is impossible to survival any human being or any living thing. I think the nature will disappear. Now let us come to the point. If the water bodies are there on the earth, already we discussed that earth covers 71% of with water. This water absorb this huge heat energy exposed by the sun. Through it regulate this water, these oceans or this water, it regulate the temperature constantly. It stabilize the temperature properly. It regulate the temperature properly. For sometimes the temperature fall down suddenly at evening, at night. At that time, the stored heat by the water inside oceans, they are ready to living outside. And this heat leaving by the water, it merges into the fall down temperature, and after that the temperature will come into control, and the temperature regulate or the temperature will be stabilized. So through this example, we easily understand that water stabilize the temperature. Water controls the temperatures around the atmosphere because of it has high specific heat value. By this characteristic of high specific heat value of water only, it is possible. What I am explain, just I want to write a paragraph on this notes. Just you watch it. Earth covers 71% of with water. This huge water absorb large amount of heat energy delivered by the sun. If there are no oceans, this heat energy merge in our surrounding atmosphere. Then the temperature which is rises up to 4000 to 500 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, the living things never survive. The nature will disappear. Thus, here this water inside oceans absorb heat energy and moderate the surrounding atmosphere or surrounding temperature. It is possible by the high specific heat of water. So it is the best example. It is the best one to understand the high specific heat capacity of water. Let us come to the second example for the application of specific heat. It is also related to water. The red pulp in watermelon retains its coolingness for long time than any other fruit, because there is no other fruit has containing more water like watermelon. Watermelon has only more water inside it. That's why it retains more coolingness for long time after we are kept from the refrigerator. Here it is also possible due to high specific heat of water because it has more water inside it. By this only, the red pulp inside the watermelon, it retains long time its coolingness when it taken outside from the refrigerator. Okay, thank you. These two are the best examples to understand the specific heat capacity of water. And when in examination, when they ask write any two applications of specific heat capacity, you write these two. Thank you.